Perimeter and area. Perimeter. Perimeter represents the total distance around the boundary of a 2D shape. Let us solve problems based on perimeter. Find the measurements of the missing side in the given figure. The perimeter of the figure is given. To find the missing side, add the other lengths and subtract the total from the perimeter. The answer is 5 centimeters. A triangle has 3 sides. So, to find its perimeter, just add up the lengths of these 3 sides. In case of an equilateral triangle where all sides are equal, we multiply the length of the side by 3. Let us solve a problem. A triangular park is designed in such a way that all its sides are of equal length. If each side measures 100 meters, what is the perimeter of the park? Since the park is the form of an equilateral triangle, with each side measuring 100 meters, we know that the perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 times length of the side. Thus, the perimeter of the park is 300 meters. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice the length plus width. Let us solve a problem. Sheetal has a rectangular garden with dimensions 150 meters in length and 40 meters in breadth. What is the total length of hedge needed to fence the garden? These are the information that are given in the problem. We have to find the perimeter. Putting the values in the formula for perimeter of the rectangle, we get that the perimeter is equal to 380 meters. Thus, 380 meters long hedge is needed for the fencing of the garden. For a square, the perimeter equals the sum of all its sides. Naresh wants to fence his square garden to protect it from stray animals. If the length of the side is 30 meters, what length of the wire will he need to fence his garden? Length of wire required to fence the garden equals perimeter of the garden. Using the formula of the perimeter of the square, we can find the perimeter. Thus, the length of wire required to fence the garden is 120 meters. Area. The area is the space inside a shape. The unit of area is chosen according to the size of the object being dealt with. So, a unit of area smaller than square centimeter or bigger can also be used. Units of area. Area is expressed as square units being occupied by a given shape. Some standard units of area are a square with each side of length 1 centimeter. Area is equal to 1 square centimeter or is equal to 1 square centimeter. Example, area of a stamp is 4 square centimeter. A square with each side of length 1 meter. Area is equal to 1 square meter or is equal to 1 square meter. Example, area of a room is 36 square meter. A square with each side of length 1 kilometer. Area is equal to 1 square kilometer or is equal to 1 square kilometer. Example, area of India is 3.29 million square kilometer. The unit of area is chosen according to the size of the object being dealt with. So, a unit of area smaller than square centimeter or bigger can also be used. the area of the rectangle is equal to length times width. From this, we can also say that length can be found by dividing area by width or vice versa. Let us solve a problem. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 14 centimeters and width is 12.5 centimeters. Using the formula of the area of a rectangle, we can find the answer. Thus, the area of the rectangle is 175 square centimeters. The area of a square is side multiplied by side. Find the area of a square of side 18 centimeters. Using the formula of the area of a square, we can find the answer. Thus, the area of the square is 324 square centimeters. The area of a triangle is half of the area of a rectangle. Find the area of the given triangle. We can see that the rectangle has been divided into two parts and each contains a portion of the triangle. Area of green square is equal to 9 SQ units. Therefore, area of green triangle is equal to 4.5 square units. Area of orange rectangle is equal to 12 square units. Therefore, area of orange triangle is equal to 6 square units. So, area of triangle is equal to 4.5 plus 6 is equal to 10.5 square units. Relationship between area and perimeter. Observe the figure and assume each square to be 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. What is the area and perimeter of each figure? When we add the sides of the first figure, we get the perimeter as 16 centimeters. The area of the figure is 8 square centimeters. When we add the sides of the other figure, we get the perimeter as 12 centimeters. The area of the figure is 8 square centimeters. We can see that both the figures, A and B, have an area of 8 square cm, but the perimeter is different in both cases. Thus, we can conclude that two different shapes with the same perimeter can have different areas.